Imagine waking up one morning to find your bank account overflowing with millions. While this may seem like a dream come true, the reality can be far more complex and at times unsettling. Sudden wealth can dramatically alter a person's psychological state. The euphoria of winning often gives way to anxiety, paranoia, and even depression. Experts like Dr. Jane Smith, a psychologist specializing in financial stress, explain that this sudden influx of money can disrupt a person's sense of identity and purpose. Dr. Jane Smith. Many individuals who come into sudden wealth struggle with feelings of isolation. They may find it difficult to trust others, fearing that people are only interested in their money. These psychological impacts are often compounded by social challenges. Relationships with family and friends can become strained as financial dynamics shift. Real-life examples like that of Jack Whitaker, who won $314.9 million in a Powerball jackpot, serve as cautionary tales. Whitaker faced numerous lawsuits, thefts, and personal losses, which ultimately led to a troubled life post-win. Financial advisors stress the importance of seeking professional guidance. It's not just about managing the money, but also about navigating the emotional and social upheaval that comes with it. In the following scenes, we'll delve deeper into these psychological and social impacts, exploring more real-life examples and expert opinions. Stay tuned as we uncover the often hidden, darker side of sudden wealth. In this chapter, we'll discuss the financial strategies that can help manage sudden wealth effectively. While sudden wealth brings numerous challenges, there are ways to navigate this complex terrain successfully. Cut to a faceless animation of a person looking at a financial plan. First and foremost, experts advise taking a step back and not making any hasty decisions. Financial advisor Laura Johnson emphasizes the importance of creating a comprehensive plan. Cut to a faceless animation of Laura Johnson speaking. Laura Johnson. The initial euphoria can cloud your judgment. It's crucial to take a pause and consult with professionals to develop a long-term strategy tailored to your new financial reality. One of the key steps is to assemble a trusted team of advisors, including a financial planner, accountant, and attorney. This team can help you create a diversified investment portfolio, manage taxes, and ensure legal protections. Cut to a faceless animation of a person meeting with a team of advisors. Real-life success stories demonstrate the power of prudent financial management. For instance, Sarah and John, who won a significant lottery prize, decided to invest in real estate and start a small business. Cut to a faceless animation of Sarah and John shaking hands with a real estate agent. Sarah. We knew we needed to make our money work for us. By investing in real estate and starting a business, we've been able to create multiple income streams and secure our financial future. Another important strategy is to set up a budget and stick to it. Financial advisors recommend living off a fixed percentage of your wealth and avoiding lavish expenditures that can quickly deplete your funds. Cut to a faceless animation of a person reviewing a budget on a laptop. Laura Johnson. A budget helps you maintain control over your finances and prevents overspending. It's about finding a balance between enjoying your wealth and preserving it for the future. Philanthropy can also be a fulfilling way to manage sudden wealth. Many individuals find joy and purpose in giving back to their communities and supporting causes they care about. Cut to a faceless animation of a person handing over a donation check. In conclusion, while sudden wealth can be overwhelming, it doesn't have to be a curse. By taking a measured approach and seeking professional guidance, you can turn this windfall into a lasting legacy. Cut to a faceless animation of a person looking content and secure. Stay tuned as we explore the darker aspects of sudden wealth in the next chapter. Cut to text on screen. Chapter 3, The Dark Side of Winning the Lottery. Finally, let's delve into the long-term effects of sudden wealth on personal relationships and mental health. Cut to a faceless animation of a person sitting alone, looking contemplative. While the initial thrill of sudden wealth can be exhilarating, the long-term consequences often reveal a more complex and challenging reality. Psychologist Dr. Emily Carter explains how sudden wealth can disrupt personal relationships. Cut to a faceless animation of Dr. Emily Carter speaking. Dr. Emily Carter. Sudden wealth can create a significant power imbalance in relationships. Friends and family may start to see you differently, and you might find it difficult to trust people's intentions. This can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness. Real-life stories highlight these emotional struggles. Take the case of Michael, who won a substantial lottery prize. Cut to a faceless animation of Michael looking at old photos with friends. Michael. At first it felt like a dream come true. But as time went on, I realized I was losing touch with my old friends. They either wanted something from me, or they felt uncomfortable around me. It was a lonely experience. Sudden wealth can also have profound effects on mental health. Cut to a faceless animation of a person sitting with a therapist. Dr. Emily Carter. The pressure to manage newfound wealth coupled with the fear of losing it can lead to anxiety and depression. Many individuals struggle with feelings of guilt and unworthiness, questioning whether they truly deserve their wealth. Let's hear from Lisa, who inherited a large sum of money unexpectedly. Cut to a faceless animation of Lisa talking to a friend. Lisa, I thought the money would solve all my problems, but it only brought new ones. I felt guilty for having so much when others had so little. It was hard to enjoy my wealth without feeling a constant sense of guilt. The impact on mental health can be severe, leading to what experts call sudden wealth syndrome. Cut to a faceless animation of a person experiencing stress and anxiety. Dr. Emily Carter. Sudden wealth syndrome is characterized by anxiety, depression, and a sense of isolation. It's crucial for individuals experiencing this to seek professional help and build a support network. Building healthy relationships and maintaining mental well-being are essential for navigating the challenges of sudden wealth. Cut to a faceless animation of a person engaging in a support group. Dr. Emily Carter. Open communication, setting boundaries, and seeking professional guidance are key strategies for maintaining healthy relationships and mental health. It's important to remember that wealth doesn't define your worth. In conclusion, while sudden wealth can bring significant changes, it's essential to approach it with a balanced perspective. Cut to a faceless animation of a person finding solace in nature. By understanding the potential challenges and seeking support, you can preserve your mental health and maintain meaningful relationships. Stay tuned as we explore the darker aspects of sudden wealth in the next chapter. Cut to text on screen. Chapter 4, The Dark Side of Winning the Lottery. Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Let's talk about something that's crossed most of our minds at some point. Winning the lottery. You know, that moment when you imagine what it would be like to suddenly have millions of dollars at your disposal. Yeah, you know, that golden ticket to instant riches, private jets, and mansions. The kind of wealth that seems to solve all your problems in one fell swoop. Sounds like a dream, right? The ultimate fantasy where you can buy anything you want, travel anywhere, and live a life of luxury without a care in the world. But hold on, let's pump the brakes for a sec. Is it really all sunshine and rainbows? What if I told you that winning the lottery could actually bring more problems than it solves? Imagine this. You just hit the jackpot. You're an instant millionaire. The excitement is through the roof, and you feel like you're on top of the world. You're popping bottles, throwing parties, and living the high life. Everyone wants to be your friend, and you're the center of attention. But what happens when the confetti settles and the party's over? When the initial euphoria fades, reality starts to set in. Here's the scoop, folks. Winning the lottery can actually ruin your life. It's not just about the money, it's about the drastic changes that come with it. First off, let's talk about the odds. The chances of winning are astronomically low. You have a better chance of being struck by lightning, twice, than hitting that big jackpot. Yet, people still dream and hope, buying tickets week after week. But let's say, by some miracle, you do win. You'd think the hard part's over, right? Wrong. The real challenges are just beginning. You think the hard part's over, right? Wrong. The real trouble starts now. Suddenly you're thrust into a world of financial complexity that you might not be prepared for. The real trouble starts now. The sudden influx of money brings a storm of new responsibilities and challenges. See all that money? It doesn't come with a manual. There's no guidebook on how to handle sudden wealth, and it can be overwhelming. Suddenly, you're catapulted into a world you're not ready for. Managing large sums of money requires knowledge and skills that most people don't have. The struggle to manage it, the financial predators, the long-lost relatives with their hands out. It's like a scene from a horror movie. Everyone wants a piece of your newfound wealth. And let's not forget the psychological toll. The stress and anxiety that come with sudden wealth can be debilitating. Studies show that lottery winners often end up more miserable than they were before. The pressure to maintain a lavish lifestyle can be immense. The pressure to maintain a lavish lifestyle, the paranoia about people's intentions, and the isolation from losing old friends, it's a heavy price to pay. Trust becomes a rare commodity. Take Jack Whitaker, for example. His story is a cautionary tale. He won nearly $315 million, but his life spiraled out of control. The money brought more problems than it solved. Lawsuits, personal tragedies, and financial mismanagement turned his dream into a nightmare. The wealth that was supposed to bring happiness only brought sorrow. He even said, "I wish that we had torn the ticket up." Imagine winning millions and wishing you hadn't. That's the dark side of sudden wealth. Here's another kicker. Sudden wealth can actually mess with your brain. It's called sudden wealth syndrome. Anxiety, guilt, and depression hit you like a ton of bricks. The mental strain can be overwhelming. Anxiety, guilt, and depression hit you like a ton of bricks. It's like being thrown into a pool without knowing how to swim. The emotional impact can be devastating. It's like being thrown into a pool without knowing how to swim. You're drowning in a sea of emotions and responsibilities. So why does this happen? Why does sudden wealth bring so much turmoil? Well, most of us aren't equipped to handle that level of change. The drastic shift in lifestyle can be jarring. Money can amplify your problems instead of solving them. It's not a magic wand. It's a magnifying glass that brings your issues into sharper focus. It's not a magic wand, it's a magnifying glass. Every little problem you had before is now magnified and more challenging to deal with. Now, I'm not saying dreams are bad. Dream big, but let's keep it real. It's important to have realistic expectations. Dream big, but let's keep it real. The lottery isn't a financial plan, it's a gamble. It's a risky bet that rarely pays off. The lottery isn't a financial plan, it's a gamble. Chasing that ticket can make you lose sight of what truly matters in life. The pursuit of wealth can distract you from the things that bring genuine happiness. So next time you're tempted to buy that lottery ticket, remember, it's not always greener on the other side. The grass might look lush, but it could be hiding thorns. Sometimes that jackpot could be the key to a Pandora's box you don't want to open. The allure of sudden wealth can be deceiving. Thanks for hanging with me, folks. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember, real wealth comes from within. Peace out. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember, real wealth comes from within. Peace out. Take care of yourselves and cherish the simple joys in life. Now, let's dive deeper into the psychological aspects. Winning the lottery can create a sense of isolation. You might find it hard to relate to your old friends and family. The sudden wealth can create a barrier between you and your loved ones. They might see you differently, and you might feel like an outsider in your own circle. You might start reminiscing about the good old days when life was simpler. The wealth that was supposed to bring happiness can make you long for the past. And then there's the pressure of maintaining your wealth. You have to make smart investments, manage your expenses, and plan for the future. It's a full-time job. You might need to hire financial advisors, lawyers, and accountants to help you manage your wealth. But who can you trust? The fear of being taken advantage of can be overwhelming. Every decision you make can have significant consequences. One wrong move, and you could lose everything. The stakes are incredibly high. And let's not forget the social pressure. People might expect you to donate to charities, support causes, and help those in need. The weight of social responsibility can be heavy. You might receive countless requests for donations and support. Deciding who to help and how much to give can be a daunting task. The media might also take an interest in your life. Your every move could be scrutinized and your privacy invaded. The fame that comes with winning can be a double-edged sword. The constant attention can be exhausting. You might find yourself longing for the anonymity you once had. So what's the takeaway here? Winning the lottery isn't a guaranteed ticket to happiness. It comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities. It's essential to find a balance between wealth and happiness. Money can't buy everything, and it's crucial to focus on what truly matters in life. Cherish your relationships, pursue your passions, and find joy in the simple things. Real wealth comes from within, and it's not measured by the size of your bank account. Set realistic goals, make wise decisions, and stay grounded. The journey to happiness is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, life is full of ups and downs. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and keep moving forward. Thanks for hanging with me, folks. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember, real wealth comes from within. Peace out. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember, real wealth comes from within. Peace out. Take care of yourselves and cherish the simple joys in life. Welcome back, everyone. In this chapter, we will explore the long-term financial planning strategies that can help individuals maintain their wealth and ensure a secure future. Winning the lottery or coming into sudden wealth can be life-changing, but without careful planning, that wealth can quickly disappear. So, what steps should you take to safeguard your financial future? First and foremost, experts recommend diversifying your investments. Putting all your money into one asset or investment can be incredibly risky. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. This way, you can mitigate risks and increase the potential for returns. Next, consider setting up trusts. Trusts can be a powerful tool for managing and protecting your wealth. They can help you control how your assets are distributed, protect your estate from creditors, and even reduce estate taxes. Consulting with an estate planning attorney can help you understand the best type of trust for your specific needs. Regularly reviewing and updating your financial plans is also crucial. Life is constantly changing, and so are financial markets. What worked for you 5 years ago might not be the best strategy today. Regular check-ins with a financial advisor can help you stay on track and adapt to new circumstances. It's also essential to have a solid understanding of your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, planning to buy a home, or looking to start a business? Knowing your goals can help you make informed decisions and prioritize your spending and investments accordingly. Additionally, creating a budget can help you manage your day-to-day expenses and prevent overspending. Tracking your income and expenses allows you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Lastly, don't forget about insurance. Having adequate insurance coverage can protect you from unforeseen events that could otherwise jeopardize your financial stability. This includes health insurance, life insurance, and property insurance. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into these strategies and hear from financial advisors on how to make the most of your newfound wealth. Remember, with the right planning and guidance, you can turn sudden wealth into long-lasting financial security. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart and stay safe. Take care of yourselves and make wise financial decisions. Peace out.